Justice will never make this right. I need to run and stay out of sight, and no choice.